So, this is your treat because today is Eid, yeah? Okay, I will order different kind of food because this is from you. Thank you for Masaya ka ha? Masaya ka? Happy?
Yes.
Oh, sige.
Yalla, enjoy na, enjoy. Because of
Okay.
Eid, first
Because
day,
of
second day, third day.
Enjoy. No work. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so
Actually, the maximum Muslim, they are enjoying in the Eid.
oh, I see. Really?
Yeah.
With family, right?
Family, bachelors, everyone. Because
Everyone.
4 day continuously holiday and that Eid.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
hadiah.
inshallah, no?
Inshallah, huh? Okay, so because this is your Eid, so definitely you should give me something, that I feel that, oh, today is Eid, so I got something from you. Okay? Bibiro lang ako, guys. So, okay. So, enjoy. Malayo-layo pa to, guys. Diba? Still far. Still far. Okay. So, ayan, guys. On the way na po kami. So, tamang-tama ito kasi maliwanag pa. So, pagdating namin doon, for sure maliwanag pa rin. Time check, 5:15 in the afternoon. O, diba ang araw, oh.
This is evening, not after.
This is already evening.
After 4 evening.
After 4 evening. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. By the way, good evening, something like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you happy?
Yes.
So, really? It's 45 minutes drive from here.
45 minutes as per the location.
As per the location, ha? How many kilometers? How many kilometers from here to Alcor?
Almost
56. Oh, 55 kilometers. So, 55 kilometers, guys. Oh, sige. Enjoy! Ayan, guys. Masarap, guys, magbiyahe kasi maluwag ang kalsada. Walang traffic. Ayan. O, diba? O, diba? See? Tuloy-tuloy ang aming biyahe. Okay. Serious, ha? Ha? Why are you quiet? Serious? Huh? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Yeah.
Of course you're okay. Diba? Okay daw siya. Yeah? Still far, huh? Liwanag pa, guys, oh. 5:45 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Still what? Still what? Napakaliwanag pa, guys, sa ano. Napakaliwanag pa ng ano. Liwanag. O, diba? Ay, ang sarap talagang mag-travel or magbiyahe. So, guys, ayan, malapit na kami, guys, sa Lulu Hypermarket Alcor. So, andito na kami, guys, sa Ansar Gallery. Yay! But it's too early. Maybe we will do mini-mini first. And after that, we will eat our dinner, ha?
Yeah.
Is that okay for you? Okay, so malapit na kami, guys. Ayan. So, maliwanag pa, di ba? No? Yeah. So, guys, nandito na kami sa Alcor. Yan. Nandito na kami sa Lulu Hypermarket. See? Actually, guys, diyan sa loob ng mall na to, marami namang mga mabibili. Hello! Hi, TJ! See?
Sipag niyan guys mag-drive sa akin. O, diba? See? We are here now in Lulu. O, diba? See? Alcor Mall. Malaki tong mall na to guys dito. Ayan. Say hi, TJ. Hi! Hi. Happy liwanag pa guys. Halika na, let's go. Let's go inside. Come. See guys, ang liwanag pa. Let's go. So guys, itour ko kayo dito sa loob. See guys, ganda. O ayan. Our choice. Aha. So ang dami rin. O, lawak din ang mall. Let's go here. Come. Meron din pala dito ng ano, Papa John's. I see. Smart Cuts. Doha Beauty Center. I see. Papa John's. See? Shutter Abbas. Wow. Yan, guys. Marami rin talaga. Yan. Tahimik kahit sa mall. See? Halos walang tao, guys. Imagine. So, yan. Restaurant. Oh, some cakes. Wow, colorful. Diba? Splash. Ayan. Chili's. Oh, diba ang Chili's, oh, napaka-quiet din. Ayan. See? Pasok tayo dito, guys, sa loob ng Splash. Ayan. Tingnan natin, guys. Kasi, guys, sabi nila, mas mura daw dito yung bilihin kaysa sa Doha. So, tingnan natin. Wow, ganda nito. 57 for men.
Ahmed, do you have white t-shirt?
Ayan guys. Ayan guys, so ang daming sale. Yan, dito yan guys sa Splash Alcor. Yan, di ba? Yan. Eid offer. Nakakatuwa naman mag-shopping. Ang daming sale. Ayan o, 2 for 159 lang. Pero ang ganda nito. So guys, sale din sa Beverly Hills Polo Club. So pasok tayo dito guys. Come here. We'll check. We'll buy something here. Just like gift to ourselves. Because today is Eid. Wow, nice. Beverly Hills. 121. Imagine, buy 2 for only 129. Not bad. Medium. So guys, akyat tayo sa taas. Ayan. Oh no. Okay. Yan. Tingin din tayo guys dito. Yan. Joy Alokas. Yan guys. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor, Daiso Japan. Lifestyle. Meron din pala ng lifestyle dito. See? So pasok tayo dito guys. Tingin tayo dito. Daiso. Oh, ang daming sale. Fashion store. Yan guys, Daiso Japan. Diba? Dito medyo marami ng tao. Pero hindi ganun kadami. Diba? Wow, gold. Sana all. Wow. Ayan guys, oh my gosh, ganda. Hanggang tingin lang tayo, guys. Hanggang tingin lang tayo dyan. Ayan, ang ganda naman ito. Magkakano kaya to? Wow. O, diba, guys? 22, 202 Qatar Riyal. 24, 214. 18K gold, 165. 21K gold, 130.30 Riyal. Oh, mahal. Mahal pala, guys, ang kilo ng ano. Ay, per gram, sorry. Per gram ng ano. Per gram ngayon. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Diamond. Ipasok tayo dito, guys. Ayan, ang daming ano, ang daming sale. Wow. Guys, so ang ganda. 7,599 QR, 65 inches. Wow. Ang ganda nito, guys, sa living area. 'Di ba? Sa bahay natin. O, 'di ba? Sony, oh, ang ganda, bongga. Ang ganda niyan sa living area ilagay. Ito naman, guys, 55 inches, LG. Wow, ang ganda. Ah, I see, ang nipis niya. Super. Ang ganda. Ito yata, guys, ang latest ng ano, ng LG. Wow, ito naman, guys, Sony. Ganda, oh. 39 inches. OMG. Oh, ganda, nice. 55 inches. Toshiba. Ako, guys, gusto ko sa TV, LG o kaya Sony. Yan yung mga bet ko. Kasi bakit, guys? Feeling ko ano, hindi lang feeling. Talagang matibay naman siya, guys. Hindi siya basta-basta nasisira ng agad-agad. O, diba? Bongga, pag ilagay mo yan. Lalo na to, guys. O, Toshiba, guys. O, medyo ano siya, guys. Mura kisa sa Sony. O, diba? 65 inches, 3,299 QR. O, saan ka pa? Ang ganda niyan sa ano, sa living area. Can we check the color? So, guys, tingin naman tayo, guys, ng ano, ng color. Black and Decker Panasonic. 319. 299. How much? This one? This is nice, oh.
449.
Oh, very nice.
It's like double.
Oh, see? That's good, you know. See? Icon. But Icon, I like Panasonic or LG. This one also, only 599 QR. Wow, ito maganda to. 590. Ito rin, mga air purifier. Yeah, Samsung air purifier, 1,199. Diba? Air cooler. Ito, guys, maganda to sa living area din sa bahay natin. Ayan, 'di ba? At least nakokontrol natin yung electricity. Pagkatapos natin gamitin, pwede nating patayin. Ayan, 'di ba? Ganda siya. Aircon. Ang aircon. So, for general, portable AC. Mga portable AC naman siya, guys. Ang mahal naman ng AC na to, 1,899. I see. Well, diba? Evening! Ayan, natin guys, makipanood tayo ngayon ng ng show dito.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
That's more better. So, before we do the show, we have two rules to follow. Rule number one, whatever happens, you need to stay where you are. Okay? Rule number two, the fun part. Rule number two is whatever happens, whatever you do, you don't look away. Most of the tricks are really, really fast. So if you look away, you will miss it. And you don't want to miss a trick, right? You don't want to miss a trick, right? So, we're about to start the show. My name is Sergi. How about a big round of applause for Alfred Mall for having this event? Please clap for Alfred Mall. Especially to Alfred Mall. Thank you so much. And can everybody say equal round on three? 1, 2, 3. Is everybody ready to do this? Okay. No, it should be everyone. When I say now, you will shout magic. Here we go. Here we go. Now! There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's do this. Ready? Now! Come on. Now, come on. Come on. Thank you so much, everyone. That's it. Now, this will be the part of the show that I'll be having someone to help me on the stage. So, before you put your hands up, I need someone.
Guys, ayan, lumabas na kami ng mall kasi medyo marami ng tao dahil sa magic show. So, by the way, kumain lang kami doon guys ng McDonald's doon. So, hindi ako nabusog. So, maghahanap kami ng restaurant ngayon kung saan kami makakakain kasi hindi ako masyadong familiar dito sa sa Alcor. So, mag-google na lang kami. Gusto ko guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Arab Al-Mandi Yemeni restaurant. So, at least for a change. Huh? Yeah, you can park here. Okay, go ahead. Here. Where? Here? Okay. Ayan guys, ayan, makapag-park kami. Yeah, so nandito kami ngayon. Yeah, you can park here. Yan guys, inabangan ko na talaga ang parking kasi mahirap ng parking. Yan. So, para maiba naman guys, di ba? So try namin kumain dito. Arab Al-Mandi. Ayan. So, hey. Kuha na ko siya ng video. DJ! Do you like the food here? Do you know? It's Arab. Yeah. It's different, huh? So Arabic food. So, yeah, we'll try to sit upstairs. Yeah, we'll see. Let's try. Wow. Oh. Diba? Bato. See? Yeah, the interior. Yes. See? Look. It is something like, oh my gosh, so it's nice. Oh, where are we? Like a Majlis. Yes, guys, tignan nyo guys. Ano siya? Mga I see. All Majlis. So we'll try to sit Majlis. So I like this. Can you try here? Here it's a table, but it's big. It's okay. We are only two, no problem. Oh, okay. So guys, nandito kayo. Dalawa lang kami. Ang laki ng table. Nice. See? It's okay, right? Oh. Para lang kami guys nasa bahay. Maiba naman kami guys. I like lamb chop. There is lamb chop.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ang sarap ng food. Please like our video, share, comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe guys sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye.